विसो उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. दाबोळी विमानतळार गोवा कस्टमांतल्या हवाई गुप्तचर विभागान आयतारा विकसीत केल्ल्या गुप्तचराच्या आदारान 2 आंतरराष्ट्रीय प्रवाशांक ताब्यांत घेतले. हे प्रवाशी एअर इंडिया विमानतळांतल्यान दुबय वताले. ह्या प्रवासाच्या अटकेन भारतीय रुपयाचो 11.40 लाख रुपयांची विदेशी कर्जाची वसुली जाल्या. ॲक्ट 1962 अंतर्गत तरतुदीनुसार ही चालना जप्त केल्या. वास्कोच्यान आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर जॉन डिसिल्वा.
Basis of information received, the officers of the Air Intelligence Unit Customs Dublin, Goa, rummaged a flight yesterday evening. This flight was an Air India flight originating from Bangalore, going to via Goa to Dubai. We had information that 2 passengers were carrying some foreign currency, and so we intercepted them on the flight. We asked them, and on basis of that information, we offloaded them. On verification of their luggage, it was found that they were carrying foreign currency, Saudi riyals, approximately value of Indian currency around 11.40 lakhs. So on basis of that, we have taken them into custody and further investigations are in process. But this was developed by our officers mainly because this was not a flight originating from Goa. So the information was totally developed by the officers of the Goa Customs out here.